one of the YouTube videos, I saw one of the comments, and in that comment, I saw a man was saying that he wanna do a lot of things, but he isn't having any kind of a clarity. He starts the work, but he doesn't complete till the last also. So as he himself commented that there is the lag of the clarity only. So because of having the scarcity of the clarity, he isn't able to do something whatever he wanna do. So this video is not dedicated for him only. A lot of people, not only others but also I myself, struggle with the same challenges. So in the initial phase we remain really motivated, our hormones remain at the apex, and then we start doing something. Gradually a time comes when neither we think the we neither we remain able to imagine the possibility of happening something, nor we remain capable of breaking something. We get trapped into the loop in between the journey. That time remains to maintain a patience, and at that time only most of the people abjure. So let me tell you how can you balance yourself and how can you tackle the challenges in between the journey. A lot of messy things would be there into the life, but let me tell you, if you are struggling with the clarity, so first of all, start giving proper time to yourself only. Start giving proper time to yourself and understand what your really heart wants. Yeah, sometimes we start keep doing the things, but we don't realize that what is the real requirement of the heart, and at the last we get lost with ourselves only. So that is why instead of giving the time to others, whatever the time you give to others, just try to give the same time to yourself, so that you could think about yourself, you could imagine about yourself. Because until you spend time with yourself only, you won't be able to understand what exactly you require. And you will have to be a little bit stubborn in yourself. You will have to be a little bit obstinate, a little bit adamant, because of which you will be getting the clarity. And until you do some of the task, you won't be able to understand the gravity. For example, if you aren't interested in studying polity, Indian polity is one of the subjects, and you aren't interested to study that, but until you spend some time with it, you won't be able to understand that what real cause is there behind not having the interest into this. But if you spend some time, firstly you will realize that which challenge is there of not having the interest into this is the first significance into this. The second significance is that gradually you will get to know that whatever the hype you are having for some subject or something, whatever it is, that isn't true. That was a kind of a hallucination in yourself only. So in the initial phase we used to we often remain keep thinking about the things, but until we get gone into this, we don't realize the depth of it. So this is the first thing. The second thing is that firstly, start working on your routine. Until you work on your routine, until you maintain the discipline, you won't be able to do something. Because maintaining the routine is very easy. Why is it so? Because already things are fixed, you aren't required to think anything. Already things are there. As the time came, you started functioning, so you aren't required to spend your energy in thinking here and there and would be keep wasting the time. No, nothing is like this. Already your energy will be restrained, and whatever the task you will do, that energy will be spent into that only. Won't be wasted anywhere here and somewhere. So if you are having the proper routine, it will be really significant for maintaining the discipline. And in between the journey, a lot of obstructions will come. It doesn't mean that journey will be smooth. If journey is smooth, it means you are doing nothing, you are stagnant, and you are standing at the same place. That is why you aren't having any problem, and you're very happy, you are cheerful, you're thinking that you are achieving a lot of things. None is happier than you. You might be having the hallucination like this if you are stagnant. But if you try to progress in your life, it is obvious that problems will come, challenges will come. And yes, accept those challenges, because without accepting those challenges, you aren't having any option. Until you accept, you won't be able to do anything. Yeah, for a very long time you would be having idea like this, but nothing changes for a very long time also. So let me tell you guys, easily things don't get changed. You will have to be stubborn. You will have to keep working on the same point. You will have to keep hitting on the same point. You might have been lost 10 times, 20 times, 30 times. Nothing matters. Until you win, it's not over. So just keep a kind of a mindset in yourself that yeah, I have lost this number of a times, but nothing matters, because one day it will come and I will accomplish the task whatever I want to do. Because we are the human, yeah, and we get attached with the things, we get attracted toward the things, we try to seek for the temporary happiness, and because of the presence of the temporary happiness, we don't remain able to think about those things. Those are mandatory to happen, those are required to do, and we get trapped into this only. So we will have to pause, and we will have to close the eyes, we will have to spend time with ourselves, and then automatically the right thoughts will come, and then you will be able to decide, yeah, this is what I am required to do, this is what I'm not required to. Otherwise you are having the full information what to do and what to not, but when you are sitting alone, then automatically your energy will be channelized in the positive direction, and whenever you will go for doing any task, it will endorse you for accomplishing it. So sitting alone is the best option for understanding, because you might be watching a lot of YouTube videos, Instagram videos, and nothing matters, because at the last the summary will be that you will have to spend time with yourself only. When you are closing your eyes and thinking what exactly I am required, then automatically your mind will respond that you are required with this, and then try to work on it only. And once you decided, don't wave until something remarkable is required to do into this. So these are some of the points those you can follow, and it will be really helpful for you all. And if you talk about me, so it's not like that things are very perfect in my life, things are very messy into my life also, but still I don't get lost, I don't lose the hope into this, because I know, yeah, this is a life, yeah, we aren't having the control of everything in our life. A lot of things are uncontrolled, yeah, and some 20% things are there, those are in our control. So why shouldn't we think about those 20 things, 20% only? But people keep thinking about 80% things, those aren't into the control. So don't think about those things, those aren't into the control. Think about those things only, those are in your control. And because thinking about something is gonna change nothing, yeah, until you implement about it. So firstly think, then implement. Mansa vacha karmana, this is the philosophy of the Indian Armed Forces also. And after appearing for this much SSBs, I learned this only, that whatever you think, act, and you speak also the same. So if these three things will resonate with one another, it will be really helpful for doing anything. And if someone is getting hurt because of you indirectly, and you are trying to progress in your life, and someone is getting hurt because of you, or you are getting hurt by someone, just ask to forgive yourself and get forgotten also about those things. Because uh, in the life often things come like this, yeah, and don't let everyone to enter in your life, yeah. Just keep certain boundaries in yourself, and think about yourself. Don't let yourself to be exploited, because until you prioritize yourself, nothing is gonna to be changed. You will have to respect yourself, you will have to love yourself, you will have to keep yourself prior than most of the things. Until you care about yourself, none is gonna to be caring you. So the ultimatum is just care about yourself and let the challenges to come. You might be very overwhelmed with the sentiments. Still don't cry in front of the people, don't let people to know you are fickle, you are lagging here or somewhere. No, nothing is like this. Just conceal yourself, hide your emotions, and whenever you consider someone that someone is yours, then you can open yourself and you can share whatever you want to share, and you can cry in front of him or her also. But it is not that you would be keep opening your sentiments in front of everyone, because at the last you will be judged only if you open your sentiments in front of everyone. So at the last I will conclude the video. Just prioritize yourself, don't let your sentiments to be known by everyone, and keep spending time with yourself only, and love yourself, because you yourself are the person whoever is sacrificing for your own welfare. So when you yourself aren't happy, So what is the significance of doing these number of the tasks yaar? If you can't hurt others, so you don't have the right to hurt yourself also. So at the last I will conclude, just love yourself and start healing in the life. Yeah, don't bother about the things, because at the last you yourself will have to tackle the things, and you yourself will have to be accountable for the things. Jai Hind, Radhe Radhe.